Polkadot is quietly building a powerhouse ecosystem. Could this be the breakout you've been waiting for? In this video, we unpack the explosive USDC growth, roadmap bombshells, Wall Street's new gateway, DeFi records smashing all-time highs, billion-dollar volumes, top rankings, transaction surges, a bubble warning, and my in-depth 2-week chart game plan with precise entries and profit zones. If you're new to crypto or stacking Polkadot, this could change how you see its potential. Let's get right into the facts that matter. Polkadot is showing strong signs of real-world growth. USDC transfers on the network have jumped 5 times over the past year, signaling more users and liquidity flowing in. This uptick is just the start, especially with Snowbridge now live, enabling seamless Ethereum to Polkadot flows. Hydration, a key DeFi app in the ecosystem, already holds $357 million in total value locked there. At the Web3 Summit 2025, Gavin Wood unveiled Polkadot's roadmap. Jam supercomputer incoming. Zero-knowledge tech to slash costs later. Security spends dropping from $500 million to under $100 million. Proof of personhood and privacy tools. Web3 outposts in real life, and DOT-backed stable assets. These upgrades position Polkadot for a bullish run, blending tech innovation with practical use. Big money is knocking. Polkadot Capital Group just launched in the US, giving banks, funds, OTC desks, and exchanges direct entry to the ecosystem. This means easier access to Polkadot tokens, strategic partnerships, staking, where you lock tokens to earn rewards, DeFi for decentralized lending and trading, and RWA, or real-world assets like tokenized property or bonds. Timed right before ETF launches and the Polkadot app rollout, this could massively expand US adoption, pulling in serious capital. DeFi on Polkadot is heating up. Take T-Bitcoin, a wrapped Bitcoin for DeFi. It's redeemable 1-to-1 and seeing heavy use. Top spots include Aave at $216 million TVL, Curve Finance at $32 million, Uniswap at $18 million, Hydration at $14 million, and Pendle at $11 million. Cold storage won't grow your stack, but these platforms let you lend, swap, or yield farm your assets. Hydration stands out as the biggest DeFi in Polkadot, hitting a new all-time high of 406 million TVL and growing fast with its multi-chain approach. The Polkadot ecosystem, including all its rollups, think Layer 2 chains for faster, cheaper transactions, crossed $1 billion volume this summer. Impressively, 40% of that happened on Hydration Network alone. This volume spike shows active trading and use, not just hype. In weekly trading volume for top Web3 tokens, Polkadot ranks third at $1.2 billion, behind Chainlink at $11.8 billion and Mantle at $2 billion. Others trail like Cyber at $670 million down to GRT at $148 million. With a $6.5 billion market cap and slight 0.1% weekly gain, Polkadot's liquidity is solid, making it easier for newcomers to buy and sell without big slips. Activity is booming across Polkadot's rollups. In the last 7 days, frequency led with 1.7 million transactions, followed by Phala at 977,000, Moonbeam 700,000, and Mythos 600,000. These numbers reflect real user engagement, from NFTs on Unique to AI on NeuroWeb. But caution, Into the Cryptoverse shows us Polkadot faces short-term bubble risk. The metric sits at 0.97, labeled bearish, based on price swings and overbought signals. Past peaks in red zones often led to pullbacks, so watch for volatility if hype builds too fast. Now the technicals, my favorite part. On the 2-week chart, price hovers around $4 after breaking upward from a descending trend line inside a large parallel channel since 2022. That's bullish, as it escapes downward pressure. Fibonacci levels, anchored from December 2024 highs to June lows, show resistance at $5, $6, $8, and higher. The green buy zone from $350 to $450, in my opinion, is ideal for dollar cost averaging. buying gradually to average your entry. I'm already in, but a dip back to 350 could offer cheaper buys. Red dash stop loss at $3. A weekly close below invalidates for traders, though I'll hold my long-term bag. Heikin-Ashi RSI indicator prints 4 green candles, nearing neutral, signaling momentum buildup. VRVP shows point of control at $4, where most volume traded. Price eyes crossing blue EMAs 10 and 21, but yellow EMA 100 rejected us twice in 2024. That's the big boss resistance. My take profits targets. Green circles at 6, 8, 11, 17, and $25 for partial sells. I'll be trailing stops as I hit them to lock gains. Polkadot's fundamentals are aligning with tech upgrades, adoption, and metrics that calls huge potential. Stay patient, manage risks, and this could reward big. If this helped, destroy that like button and comment your Polkadot targets below. Subscribe for more yield-focused breakdowns, and check my last Polkadot video linked in your screen. Thanks for watching.